our macapuno Kalamay is ready for us to be enjoyed, and I'm taking out the molder. Wow, look at that! Super yum! Oh my goodness, our macapuno that I have shown you in the previous video how to cook. Macapuno. Oh my goodness. And then we're gonna sprinkle it with coconut flakes toasted. Wow, this is one of my favorites that my mom always cooked. I'm always overjoyed, like my brother. This is his favorite as well. Oh my goodness. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my. And I love the toasted coconut flakes around it as well. Oh my. Come on and eat. I'm inviting you all and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you over the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com, Amazon, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, as I have mentioned, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Come on, this is inviting you and me to eat and dine. Kalamay. Macapuno Kalamay cake. Oh my goodness. So, I am mouth-watering already. With toasted coconut flakes. And come on and eat. Before we do, we're going to bless our food. That's my beloved parents and grandparents' teaching. Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmit it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought forever self-sustained. And that's my I Am God book by yours truly speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED.com is my website as well, and my other website is JuanitaGutierrez.com. Come on and eat. And let's enjoy Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her loving daughter speaking to you about the video. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Tempting. Makunat in the Tagalog language. Maligat. Wow, sticky rice, super yum. And let me stabilize my camera so that we could slice this. And we're gonna enjoy this with red wine for you and me and all of us. Cheers to the holidays, New Year 2026, and moving forward to all of us with long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness to all of us. And so it is done, beloved, I am. And just to show you, this is, excuse me please, alcohol removed wine, and this is Marla. Now I'm going to slice it, and let me see my slicer so that we could enjoy this all together. This slicer is a gift from my sister in Canada. Mom is Canadian as well. And if you hear sounds, it has sound. Oh, look at that. So very sticky, and it moves like a dough in our slicer. Wow, look at that. Oh my. I love it when it is sticky and And I'm going to pick it up as it is sticky, as you know. And let's see here. Let me stabilize my camera. As it is sticky, it is sticking everywhere. Now we got it. Look at that. Oh my. Just perfect, isn't it? And let's put this aside. And I'm going to add more sticky rice there. Wow, this is just perfect. And more right there. Come on and eat. You are invited to my table. We already blessed our food, so now we're going to enjoy our macapuno Kalamay sticky rice cake. This is one of my favorites that my beloved mom always cooked. And especially my eldest brother, he loves this. And he helped in cooking this with mom so that mom will cook it for you and me and all of us. Oh my goodness. Super sarap. Mouth-watering indeed. Yum. Napakasarap. In Tagalog, I'm saying that super delicious, super delightful. And I'm gonna slice one more. This is one of my favorites. My favorite, excuse me please, as I have informed you. And let's dab on with the toasted coconut flakes we call palabok. For you and me and all of us, yan. I'm going to eat all of this slice. They're really super delicious. You're gonna love this as I do. Try this. This is just perfect for you and me and all of us. Yum. Mmm. Mmm. Really good. Mouth-watering indeed. One of my favorites. For you and me and all of us. Mmm. You see? Really, this is one of my favorites that my mom always cooked. I ate all the slice with the coconut, toasted coconut flakes. For you and me and all of us. Yummy, yes. We have red wine. Excuse me, please. Cheers. For all of us, with long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, these holidays and New Year 2026 and moving forward. With long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love and light to us all, forever and ever. Yum. You're gonna love this as I do. As you see, I ate all the slice. One slice that we got really, really good. Wow. This is super yum. You're gonna love this as I do. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom. And this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you over the video, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available in my website, two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, excuse me please. The second one is juanitagutierrez.com, available on Amazon as well. Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. Meaning, if you order this in ebook or Kindle, excuse me please, have to swallow, you could upload my mom's cookbook and all my 22 books, yes, 22, in your computer quickly. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyo lahat. Look at how delicious this macapuno, coconut strings, Kalamay rice cake with toasted coconut flakes. Wow, this is super sarap, super delicious, super delightful, gourmet. Wow, inviting you and me and all of us to dine. Just perfect, isn't it? Really, really good. Mouth-watering indeed and very nutritious, super delicious. Yummiest. Try this. You're gonna love this as I do. Happy cake. Happy cooking. See you in the next video. Thank you all so very much. First of all, to our I Am God presence in our own heartbeats, and to my beloved parents, all my brothers and sisters. Excuse me, please. I'm the only one single in the family. That's why I'm able to write 22 books. You'll find worldwide, including Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, juanitagutierrez.com. Happy cooking, happy cooking. In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. See you in the next video. Thank you all to all my wonderful subscribers as well. Those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so, so that you will be updated in all my uploads. Just like this. Yum, yum, yum. Happy cooking, happy baking, happy dining. Enjoy.